So at the track and just doing some maintenance and some upgrades on this thing. So I thought I'd quickly add this in here. Just turn this around. How do I do that? So, new oil cooler. As you can see, it's a bolt-in replacement for the factory one, but much bigger, 2 more rows, and it's like 10 mil thicker and bar and plate rather than tube. So lots more volume, so it should be helping out. Put some more camber in it, and then once you put all the front back together, brakes will be next. All right, so oil cooler's in. Still got to put the front on, but I'm going to run it up. Check that out. See how everything's vented, like factory, it all fits. There's a vent under there as well. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, stoked, that's done. Next thing, get onto the brakes. So I'll just show you what we've done there. So brakes, new 2-piece rotors. Old ones, they've done most of the season so far. The stock held on pretty good. But yeah, these ones are a bit lighter and a bit more maintainable, so just wait on some pads and we'll whack them in. And then that's all I've got left to do for the race meeting. Alright, so brakes are all back on, oil cooler's on, bumpers on. Just got to do a wheel alignment now, put a bit more camber in it. And yeah, well, I think we'll be good to go. Brake pads that came out. So they've had a hell of a hammering, but they've done the whole season so far, so pretty happy about that. Sway bar links out because it's going to be very, very wet on the weekend, and I'm going to remake it so I can get a bit more adjustability because it's a bit bound up. Yeah, not too bad. It's obviously got late already, so yeah, work never ends. So yeah, as I said before, it's round 5 this week, 6 this weekend for state championship for us. Yeah, we've had 2 at Collie. This will be the 4th round up here. Hope your car goes good. A few more cars out this weekend, which is really cool. Good to see Ryan out in the new BMW, and Mason's got his golf done. So yeah, looking forward to it. Should be a good round. It's going to be really, really wet. So I think I'll just see how this goes in full taxi mode and send it. All right, so Mason. I stopped in at his place on the way back. Damo. Hi. Hi.
I thought that was a photo.
Hi. Hello. We polo. No, golf. What is it? Golf? Polo? Golf. I'm going all German around it already. So all the finishing touches to get this one ready for tomorrow's tuning day, Sunday's race day. Everyone's helping. There'll probably be a whip in the wet, but yeah, it's a really cool car. Porsche brakes, turbo. What is it? 2 litre?
2 litre.
2 litre. It's got like 17 oil coolers, 3 water pumps, all the good stuff. But yeah, stay tuned. All right, so just up on the hoist, final spanner check for the weekend, and I've scrubbed the brake pads and changed the alignment slightly, took a bit of toe out of the front so it's not so aggressive, left the back the same, softened everything up, taken the sway bar links off, because it's going to be pouring down on Sunday. And while I had on the hoist, I actually just got settled the sway bar links at the right length so they can go back in easy. So there's something Az actually taught me over at Bathurst where sway bar links were all bound up. So here now I've got them all adjusted at ride height so they're free, which is pretty good. But yeah, real quick and dirty alignment with this string. You can see it just around the car. But yeah, took a mil out each side of the toe and should be all gravy. Car's a jet. I love driving this thing. New brakes, like I said, they're on. New oil cooler. Good to go.